heat up. Okay, now you put in the tiny butter. Maybe a spoon. Feels good, yeah? No, not for me. Yeah, use that one. That one's better. Okay. Done, now we let it rest. Rest. This one's done. Very clean, so we just need to do it quickly. Just baste it quickly. And you want to bring your mushrooms? Ayo, apa yang down? Ini berinya bro. Okay, great. Thanks. You want to put a little bit more thyme? The butter? Just a little bit more. Okay. Leslie. Okay. Put in the sink. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, Okay.